Alright, we're going to make another interactive program using if statements. So we have the same setup from the last video. We got three program statements. I got rid of the Alright, anyway. We create our scanner variable. We're going to enter a value. Next, we're going to create an if statement. If x is less than 5, line, this is a small number. Okay, so we have an if statement after these three lines. Let's go ahead and run this and we'll trace the code. So first thing, so this is running right now. We create a scanner variable, enter a value. Next, it's right now this program is stuck at this line. It's waiting on me to enter a value for s. So right now the program it's still running, but it's waiting on me to enter a value. So I'm going to enter 3. And then I'm going to press enter. Then once I enter the value 3 and press enter, it's going to proceed with the rest of the program. It'll check. So x now has a value. It'll say, hey, is 3 less than 5? Now, just to recall, there's no braces after this if statement. Remember, those are optional. So this if statement applies to the next line of code immediately. Or brace. Since we're not using braces, it's going to the next program statement. This is technically not a program statement because it doesn't end in a semicolon. This is conditional. Okay, so let's go ahead and run this again. Enter a value, I'm going to enter 9. And that's it. Is 9 less than 5? Well, this is false, so it will not run the next line of code. Actually, let me just go right here. Program terminates. Okay, let's go ahead and run this. Enter a value. We'll enter 9 again. So this here applies to the very next line, which is this. Since this is false, it skips this line of code, but this one will always be proceeding. The next lines of code will go forth. Okay, I think that's a good starting example for this video. Let's see what it says. Confusing indentation. Okay, so this is interesting, and I haven't seen this before, and I typically don't program this way anyway, but it just says confusing indentation. Alright, and I think we're going to stop the video right here and actually go over more on the if statements and logical operators in the next couple videos. Thank you for watching.